You are now watching The Story Box. Canada, the second largest country in the world, has a rich and fascinating history that spans thousands of years. The indigenous peoples, including the Inuit and First Nations, have lived on the land for millennia before the arrival of Europeans. In the 16th century, French and British explorers arrived in Canada in search of new lands and resources. In 1608, French explorer Samuel de Champlain established the first permanent European settlement in Canada, which would later become Quebec City. Over the next few centuries, the French and British fought for control over Canada. The 7 Years' War, 1756 to 1763, resulted in the British gaining control of Canada, and the signing of the Treaty of Paris in 1763 confirmed their ownership. In 1867, the British North America Act created the Dominion of Canada, which united 4 provinces: Ontario, Quebec, Nova Scotia, and New Brunswick. Over time, more provinces and territories joined the Federation, and Canada eventually became the country we know today. Throughout the 20th century, Canada experienced significant growth and development. It played an important role in both World War I and World War II, and its economy and population continued to expand. Canada also experienced social and cultural changes, including the introduction of universal healthcare and the celebration of multiculturalism. Today, Canada is a diverse and prosperous nation that is known for its natural beauty, friendly people, and strong economy. From its bustling cities to its stunning wilderness, Canada has something to offer everyone. Here are 5 interesting facts about Canada. Canada is home to the longest coastline in the world, stretching over 202,000 kilometers. Canada has the world's largest supply of freshwater lakes and rivers, making up 20% of the world's freshwater supply. The Canadian flag features a maple leaf, which is a symbol of the country's natural beauty and resourcefulness. The word Canada comes from the Iroquois word Canada, which means village or settlement. Canada is known for its polite and friendly people, and is often ranked as one of the happiest countries in the world. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to the Story Box.